All right, you guys. So, appreciate all of y'all that's gonna join this video. Like, share, and subscribe as y'all tap on in. And don't y'all forget, man, to subscribe to the podcast show. The link to that will be in the comment section and in the description box below this video. Make sure y'all get yourselves a membership. We appreciate all of the new members and all of the continuous members on the podcast show. Make sure y'all do that. We will be giving away a prize at the end of this month, 40-inch flat screen TV to all the paid subscribers to our podcast show. So the link is down there in the description box below. Let's get into this video, man. So a trial has been ordered for Tiffany Haddish. Tiffany Haddish had this situation going on for a little while now. She wanted to get it off of her back, and she's been trying to get it off her back, and they just rejected her badly. So a trial has been ordered for Tiffany Haddish in the 2022 Georgia DUI case. Now, Tiffany Haddish is heading to trial next month after a Georgia judge shut down her attempt to get her DUI case dismissed. Now, according to the reports, the Fayette County Court ruled that her motion claiming a violation of speedy trial rights does not hold up, and she's now set to face a trial on August the 13th, 2026. The judge, Jason Thompson, said that while the case has dragged on for over 4 years, that Tiffany Haddish and her legal team share responsibility for those delays. So the presumed prejudice from the lengthy timeline is balanced. The whole situation traces back to January the 14th, 2022, when Tiffany Haddish was arrested in Peachtree City after officers found her asleep behind the wheel around 2:30 a.m. It goes on to say she was charged with driving under the influence of both marijuana and alcohol, plus improper stopping on a roadway. It goes on to say, according to WSB-TV, the judge acknowledged there were delays in the case, but said Tiffany Haddish's attorneys notified the court multiple times that they were unavailable for trial dates in December of 2023, December of 2024, and other scheduled dates. Tiffany Haddish's legal team have been fighting hard to get the case thrown out, arguing that the years-long delay was destroying her career and limiting her ability to travel internationally for work. They claimed the extended timeline violated her constitutional right to a speedy trial. Her legal team previously scored a partial win when a judge threw out one field sobriety test and some of her statements to police. But that wasn't enough to get that whole case dismissed. Prosecutors pushed back hard against her dismissal motion, arguing that Tiffany Haddish hadn't shown the delay caused her any real harm. They noted that she hasn't been locked up while awaiting trial and that her claims about lost work opportunities lack concrete evidence. The state also pointed out that Tiffany Haddish announced that she was ready for trial but never formally requested an immediate trial date, which matters under Georgia law. They are really serious about this with Tiffany Haddish. Let's see what they were talking about.
New at 11, 11 Alive has confirmed a famous actress and comedian is set to face trial next month in Fayette County. Court records show Tiffany Haddish is scheduled to go on trial on August 13th. The trial stems from a DUI arrest in Peachtree City back in January of 2022. Officers say they responded to a call around 2:30 in the morning regarding a driver asleep at the wheel. When police stopped her vehicle, they say she pulled over into someone's front yard. Officers arrested her on multiple charges, including DUI, improper stopping, and a parking violation. Court records show just yesterday Haddish asked for her case to be dismissed, claiming her right to a speedy trial had been violated. A judge denied the request, citing, quote, her delay in asserting her right to a speedy trial and failure to prove demonstrable actual prejudice.
Wow. So as you guys can see right there, they're outright pretty much saying that, and listen, I haven't really seen Tiffany Haddish around. Let's just be honest. I haven't seen her around for a minute. Her name has not been relevant at all. That part is, to me, it is true. Maybe y'all seen her and I just haven't been paying too much attention. But I haven't seen Tiffany Haddish's name out here for nothing. I really haven't. And that part right there, it is kind of true. I wonder, you guys, how much prison time she's actually facing, because they're really pushing hard for this thing, man. They are pushing hard for this thing with Tiffany Haddish. And so, wow. I'm just appalled, this whole situation, man. They're saying she delayed this. They're saying she is the one who kept pushing this back. And her team, I guess they're saying, was trying to get it, completely thrown out. And so I guess the courts are saying, well, since you pushed it back, that's not our fault. That's your fault. I guess I suppose that's what the courts are trying to say. I don't want to come out here and just put words in the court's mouth and say these types of things like that without having 1,000% concrete, type of evidence to say that. But yeah, that does stand out. That does stand out. Straight up. So most definitely. Hold on. So I do want to know how much prison time Tiffany Haddish is facing for the Georgia charge. I do want to know that. And so she's only facing a year in prison. Well, she probably won't get that. So I don't, for real, I don't know why, they should have, real talk, this should have been taken care of. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Salute to all of y'all who support the channel. Like, share, subscribe. Y'all know what's up, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I wonder if Tiffany Haddish, have y'all seen Tiffany Haddish in anything since the last couple of years? Because her name kind of really disappeared, in my opinion. Let me know what y'all feel. Hey, we always appreciate the support, and if you guys want to do so, you can use the Cash App or PayPal links. They'll be in the description box below this video or pinned at the top of the comments. The top donators will be announced every month. All right, you guys, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Make sure y'all cop the merch, and make sure that you get the weight loss formula. The links to that will be in the description box below this video. Check out our next video coming up right now.